Welcome to the Go Electric Fleet Show. We're taking the show on the road from here in the Lower Mainland through the interior all the way to the Kootenays. We'll be meeting up with fleet operators and organizations who are leading the way in electrifying their vehicles. We're lucky to be driving the brand new Hyundai Ioniq 9 on this 2,300-kilometer EV road trip. It's outfitted with all the bells and whistles you would expect from a brand new car and comes with a 110 kilowatt-hour battery.
We have a full charge on this vehicle. Right now, battery's at 100%, and we've got an estimated range for the trip at 629 kilometers, and that is in normal mode. So obviously that's going to be variable, like we're going to encounter some terrain, we're going to be fully loaded, there'll be sort of highway driving conditions. So we're off, and this is a 2300k road trip, which will be taking you from Vancouver, Lower Mainland, to Kamloops. Then we're going to spend a couple days in Kamloops doing some interviews. From Kamloops, we're going to be driving to Nelson through Revelstoke, so that's going to be great. Never done that before. And in Nelson we'll be spending the night. We'll be doing a couple interviews in Nelson and Castlegar. And then from there, we're going to be heading to Cranbrook and Kimberley. We'll be spending 2 days in Kimberley, where I'll be speaking at a conference for active transportation. And once the conference is over, then Sam and I will be driving the vehicle back to the Lower Mainland through, I think we're going to stop overnight at Christina Lake, which is also another area I've never been to. So this is all new for me.
Recent wildfires forced closures along the Coquihalla Highway, so we decided to add a quick top-up in Hope for extra flexibility. At Hope, we plugged into a supercharger for 12 minutes at a cost of $9.21, adding about 100 kilometers worth of range. Back on the road, we climbed into the Coquihalla Canyon and onto the Coquihalla Highway. Low clouds and burn scars from the Mine Creek fire lined the hillsides in the distance. Helicopters circled overhead, dropping water on flames near the highway. Beyond the Coquihalla summit, we dropped into the Nicola Valley. We skipped Merritt, the major population center in the valley, and pressed on, as the Ioniq 9 still had plenty of range. Rolling farmland soon gave way to dry open terrain, and before long, we were in BC's interior desert landscape. Kamloops, our destination for the first day, came into view as we entered the Thompson River Valley. The place name Kamloops comes from the Secwepemc word Tecumlups, meaning the meeting of the waters. On arrival, we stopped to recharge for just under half an hour for about 225 kilometers of range at a cost of about $23. While charging, we launched the drone to grab some aerial views of Kamloops and the Thompson Rivers. As for our first impressions of the Ioniq 9, smooth ride, efficient charging, and we've really enjoyed the heads-up display for speed and traffic notifications, as well as the nifty heated and ventilated seats. After a long day on the road, we headed to the hotel to rest up for the next day. In our next episode, our interview with Jay Jane from Moving Mountains Logistics, or MML, and a behind-the-scenes tour of the new Afton gold mine. Make sure to subscribe to our channel for more updates on fleet electrification and other sustainable transportation solutions. Thanks for watching the Go Electric Fleet Show.